All right, kindergartners, it's Miss Dodge, and I thought another fun summer directed drawing for this week would be a sand castle. So this one is a little bit longer, it's kind of involved, but it's pretty easy. So we are going to get started with our sand castle. So right in the middle of your paper, again, we have our paper vertical up and down. We're just going to put 2 lines. Okay, right in the middle of our paper. And then we're going to connect them with a little bit of a curved line at the bottom. And at the top of those lines, I'm going to go in from both sides. And then I'm going to go down. And I'm going to go over. And then I'm going to make another little castle kind of bump by going up, over, and down. Okay. And then from that one, I'm going to go a little bit up and a little bit up right there. And I'm going to go to the outside of it, and I'm going to draw a line that is about the same height of that, and then down to the bottom. And I'm going to go over here and do the same thing. Okay, and then I'm going to connect these ones to that one. And then what I did on this one, I'm going to do again. So I'm going to go in, down, over, up, down, over, and make my little castle type top. Okay. Now then, from these 2 lines of the outside ones, I'm going to go up a little bit more. So I'm kind of connecting it to that. Okay. And I'm going to make my little castle top again by going in. There we are, over like that. And then on the outside here, from this top little brick and this top little brick, I'm going to go up a little bit taller. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay. And I'm going to connect the top and make a triangle at the top of both of those. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same thing from this middle one. Kind of put the lines on the top of the bricks, connect it, and make a top. All right, now we're going to add some fun details. So at the top of each triangle, I'm going to make a little line, and each one of our towers is going to have a flag. So I'm going to make a little triangle going to the side for a flag. And then I'm going to put the door to our castle right there. And then I'm going to put some windows in the other places. So I think on these sides, I'll put 2. And in the middle, I'll put 1. In the middle, I'll put 1. And then I think I will maybe do 2 over here too. Depending on how tall your towers are, you'll see when I show you my other one, I did it a little bit differently because my towers were shorter or wider or whatever. So I did a little different. So you can do whatever you would like. And then from this side of the castle, I'm going to go out to this side of the page, so that this is going to be the sand, and then this will be the sky. Okay. And to know that this is sand, I'm just going to put some dots, because sometimes you can see grains of sand, right? And if you want to, you can add some dots, some grains of sand to your sand castle. I'm not going to put too many around. There we are. I think that's great. Okay, and then the last thing I'm going to add are some little fun seashells. And so I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to make a little swirly cue, and then at the end I'm just going to put it in there. And now that kind of looks like a seashell. I'm going to make a starfish, so I'm going to kind of go up in a triangle, and then from those sides I'm going to go out, and then kind of back in, and then out, and in. It's kind of a starfishy looking seashell. And then I'll make kind of a shell like this, and with a little bottom and maybe another little curly shell right there. Great. Now our sandcastle directed drawing is done and you can color it. Kennedy colored this one for me. You can see she kind of made the sky around the top. She did the sandcastle in a brown color and she did the windows in a light brown or tan color. You could do the windows darker if you want. Then the sandcastle, it's totally up to you. And her little curlies are yellow and the sea star is kind of a orange color. But just have fun with it and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this sandcastle drawing.